Hello friends, today the topic of discussion is principle, list count and diagram of vernier calipers. વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સનો સિદ્ધાંત, લઘુત્તમ માપશક્તિનું સૂત્ર, વ્યાખ્યા અને વર્નિયર કેલિપર્સની આકૃતિ. From the topic that is vernier calipers, the name of the chapter, that is first chapter, unit and measurement. Myself, Dr. Pinal D. Patel, will discuss the same thing what I have said it. We know that in engineering there are many limitations of the scale. So I can say that the engineering students work with the calipers in physics to measure different objects of different shapes and are taught about vernier calipers and its uses. Engineering માં સ્કેલની ઘણી બધી લિમિટેશન હોય છે. મેઝરમેન્ટ્સની વાત કરું તો એ ટાઈમે ઘણા બધા નવા એવું કહેવાય મેઝરિંગ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ્સની જરૂર પડે. એમાં this vernier calipers, there are very two basic instruments, vernier calipers and micrometer screw for the engineering students. In today's discussion, we will discuss some of the topics of vernier calipers. Along with the inside and outside measurements, we can measure the depth of the object with the help of this apparatus. વર્નિયરની મદદથી તમે અંદરનું અને બહારનું વ્યાસની જોડે જોડે ઊંડાઈ પણ માપી શકો છો. Basically, vernier calipers are used in practical demonstrations of the topic that the students learn theoretically. Yes. Before we move directly to the topic, ઘણા બધાને ખબર હશે, we all know what are the limitations of the scale. The main and very most important thing is that scale can measure up to 1 mm. 1 mm થી ઓછું માપ ફૂટપટ્ટી દ્વારા માપી નહીં શકાય. You can't measure it with the help of scale. You cannot measure the diameter, ઊંડાઈ, depth, વ્યાસ. You can't measure this inner and outer diameter of the object using the scale. Second thing, તમે કઈ બી measure કરશો with the help of scale, you can go to, as I said its list count is 1 mm. It can measure up to 1/10th of a centimeter. સેન્ટીમીટરના 10મા ભાગ સુધીનું માપ જ માપી શકે છે. એક example I have given you. You can see it on the screen. The length of the rod which I have placed it on the scale, it is about 2.3 centimeters. The answer, you can't have the answer 2.35. If I say out of 2.35 and 2.3, which is more precise? So we all know that 2.35 answer is more precise answer compared to 2.3. 2.35 centimeter વધારે ચોકસાઈ શું કહેવાય અને precise answer છે. But you can't have this answer with the help of scale. You need some precise apparatus. So vernier calipers is one of them. You can have this type of answers and some of the measurements which cannot be done by the scale. On your screen, this is a simple vernier which I have kept it here, which can measure almost anything of an object. It was first designed in 1631 by a French mathematician called Pierre Vernier. And nowadays in engineering, we are using this apparatus to find the dimensions of many objects, and you can measure even the diameter of a thin wire. Yes, and it is used everywhere. એવું નથી કે ભાઈ this is used in the field of mechanical, civil. As an engineer, you should know the basic knowledge of this particular instrument. What is the principle on which this device is or this instrument is working? I can say that this term is new for you people, but as the lectures proceed, we will be familiar with this term, a very important term which is called as list count. ગુજરાતીમાં જેને આપણે લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ કહીએ છીએ. હરેક ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટની એક લિસ્ટ એટલે સ્મોલેસ્ટ અને કાઉન્ટ એટલે મેઝરમેન્ટ, એનું એક લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ હોય કે એની લિમિટેશન કે ભાઈ સ્કેલનું લિસ્ટ કાઉન્ટ 1 mm. It can measure up to 1 mm. That is its least count. Okay, here the main scale, this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. There are two scales in the case of vernier caliper. How this is there, we will see it in the, I can say next lecture, or if possible in this video. The main scale, there are, this is a scale of centimeter, which is there. The division, there are 10 divisions. So one division, the value is 1 mm. So I can say that the least count is of the main scale is 1 mm. And same the least count of the vernier scale. The difference of these two gives the principle. It works on this principle. I can say that. The difference between the main scale and the vernier scale, which is 0.1 mm, that is nothing but the working principle of vernier caliper. ગુજરાતીમાં એવું કહી શકાય કે વર્નિયરની લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ તે સ્કેલના એક વિભાગ તથા વર્નિયરના એક સ્કેલના એક વિભાગના તફાવત બરાબર હોય છે. That is nothing but the principle of vernier caliper. Diagram which needs practice. Many of you will see this in the lab while performing the experiments, while measuring the dimensions. A very simple apparatus in which there are two scales. બે સ્કેલ હોય છે. જ્યાં મારું કર્સર મૂવ થાય છે અને બ્લુ પાર્ટ છે, that is a simple scale. એક સાદી ફૂટપટ્ટી જેવું દેખાશે તમને, which is nothing but a main scale, or we are denoting it as a મુખ્ય scale. The yellow part which I have differentiated, that is nothing but the vernier part of the vernier caliper, જેને આપણે vernier scale તરીકે ઓળખીએ છીએ. Secondary scale છે તેનું નામ આપી દીધું vernier scale, from the name of the person who has invented. The lower jaws, there are two lower jaws, two upper jaws. એમાં તમે ધ્યાનથી જોશો ને તો lower jaws માં બી one jaws is connected to main scale and another one is connected to the vernier scale. Here you are placing the object. જેનું બી dimension શોધવું હોય, we will place that in between this jaws, upper or lower. Lower jaws measures outer diameter, upper jaws measures inner diameter. Length, height, breadth, લંબાઈ, પહોળાઈ, એ બધું આપણે નીચેના જોસથી ઓબ્જેક્ટને ત્યાં મૂકીને લોઅર જોસની પોઝિશનમાં મૂકી શકાય અને આપણે એના ડાયમેન્શન મેઝર કરી શકીએ છીએ. At the end there is another part which measures the depth. છેડા ઉપર એક બીજો ભાગ છે જેથી આપણે કોઈ બી પદાર્થનું या ઓબ્જેક્ટની ઊંડાઈ માપી શકીએ છીએ, which is called as a metal strip. This is nothing but a simple sketch or diagram of a vernier caliper. While practice, you can draw it in your exams or in your assignment books also. As I said it, there are lower jaws. Go to the upper part, make a scale type arrangement, come back, draw the vernier part, and at the end there is a metal strip which is used for measuring the depth. The very important thing is you have to label the diagram. જે બી diagram છે એને તમારે લેબલ કરવું પડે, નામ નિર્દેશન કરવું પડે. Otherwise that carries no sense. Screw which is used for locking the vernier scale. Screw ને ફિટ કરી દઈએ ને તો vernier નું movement બંધ થઈ જશે, stop થઈ જશે. In the further videos you will see the whole arrangement, or you can say the working, or how these particular parts are functioning. Okay. What is the least count? Just now I said it before 5-10 minutes. I can say what is least count. Least is, once again I can say, it is the smallest, and a count is measurement. The smallest value that can be measured by vernier calipers is called its least count. Vernier calipers द्वारा નાનામાં નાનું માપ માપી શકાય તેને લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ કહે છે. A simple definition which carries 1 mark in your exam. Formula: as there are two scales, we have to use both the scales to find the least count. Least count શોધવા માટે બંને સ્કેલનું માપ લેવું પડે તો તમે એનું લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ શોધી શકો. On your screen there is the formula. In Gujarati we can say that મુખ્ય સ્કેલના એક કાપાનું માપ ભાગ્યા વર્નિયર સ્કેલના કુલ કાપા. How to find? We will see. The smallest division on main scale upon number of divisions on vernier. Value of the smallest division, નાનામાં નાના કાપાનું મૂલ્ય અને ભાગ્યા વર્નિયરના કુલ કાપા. If you see the main scale of the vernier caliper, it is something like this. I have not drawn the whole vernier. I have just taken the main scale and the vernier scale. In the main scale, there are 10, 0 to 10 centimeter. In that also I have taken a part. એમાંનો બી એક ભાગ જ લીધો છે. મારે તમને ખાલી smallest division ની value કેવી રીતે શોધાય એ સમજાવું છું. See here, this is 2, this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and so on. What is the value of smallest division? This is one division, અને એક division કહેવાય, એક કાપો. કેટલું થયું? So I can say that 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1 cm or 1 mm. Okay? બીજી રીતથી બી તમે શોધી શકો કે 2 અને 3, it is 1 centimeter, આટલું એક cm છે. ટોટલ કેટલા ડિવિઝન છે અંદર? તો કે 10. 1 divided by 10. Answer will be 0.1 cm. Or you can say it in other unit, that is 1 mm. Total divisions on vernier. Vernier પર કશું કર્યા વગર, કશું બુદ્ધિ વાપર્યા વગર, you have to just count it. How many total divisions are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Left hand. It's not necessary that all the vernier calipers will have 10 divisions on the vernier scale. They may differ. It can be 20, it can be 50, depending on the requirement of the industry and the requirement of the measuring object. Here, usually we are having 10 divisions. So આપણે અહીંયા 10 લીધું છે, એટલે 1 mm ભાગ્યા 10, એટલે 0.1 mm or 0.01 cm. This is simple way of finding the least count. This is the very first thing when you have vernier in your hand. What you have to check is this particular thing, and then you can go for the reading part. સૌથી પહેલા તમારે એની લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિ શોધતા આવડવી જોઈએ, અને એ શોધવા માટે વેરી સિમ્પલ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે કે મુખ્ય સ્કેલના એક કાપાનું માપ, સ્ક્રીન ઉપર આપણે જે ડાયાગ્રામ છે એમાં એનું માપ થાય છે 1 mm અથવા તો 0.1 cm, અને વર્નિયરના કુલ કાપા જે થાય છે 10. See here, I have written one thing. I can say that I have written it meaningfully. Here, many of the students are making mistake in the exam. They are writing 1 mm upon 10 mm. It won't be 10 mm in the case of vernier scale. Vernier scale no unit now. There are total divisions. Then don't write this. Never do this mistake in the exam. Otherwise, 1 divided by 10, it will be 0.1. Mm cancel થઈ જશે. Answer will be unitless. It will be 0.1, which carries no sense. It has a unit. કેટલું એનું least count કેટલું છે? તો 1 ના બોલાય. It is 1 mm. Least count કેટલું થયું main scale નું? 1 નથી, 1 mm. So the least count of the vernier is not 0.1, it is 0.1 mm. Okay, so please take care of this thing in your while solving the least count. મેં અહીંયા હાથે કરીને તમને એ પાર્ટ બતાવ્યો છે, so that you can nullify this. Don't make the mistake in your exam. This is a common mistake many of the students are doing. Okay, from this discussion we can say what are the questions from the topic. So very two important questions: what is least count and what is the principle? What are the parts? Simple સમજવા માટે કે ભાઈ lower jaws હમણાં મેં બતાવ્યું એમ, which measures outer diameter, length, height and breadth. નીચેના જડબા જે લંબાઈ, ઊંચાઈ, બહારનું વ્યાસ માપે છે. These are the parts of vernier and its functioning. હમણાં હું બોલ્યો તો ને. What are the upper jaws? Okay, it measures the inner diameter. અંદરનું વ્યાસ માપી શકે છે. You can see it on the screen. What are the other parts? Okay, it's having a main scale, there is a vernier scale and there is a screw. મુખ્ય સ્કેલ હોય છે, વર્નિયર સ્કેલ છે અને સ્ક્રૂ છે. મુખ્ય સ્કેલનું ફંક્શન છે રીડિંગ લેવાનું. It can measure up to 1 mm. વર્નિયર સ્કેલનું બી ફંક્શન છે રીડિંગ લેવાનું. It can measure up to 0.1 mm. Screw, so it is the part which is locking the vernier scale. Object, see here, the object should not fall from the jaws. The jaws માંથી object પડી જાય, so you won't get the perfect dimension of this rectangular block. You have to tighten the screw. Screw fit kar this, then this object won't fall from the jaws, whether it is a lower jaws or whether it will be a upper jaw. So by locking the screw, you can fix the object as well as you can fix the vernier scale movement. Clear? Then comes the last part, that is the measuring strip, which measures the depth of the object. સૌથી છેલ્લે એનો જે છેડાવાળો ભાગ છે, મેટલની સ્ટ્રીપ કહીએ છીએ આપણે જેને, ધાતુની પટ્ટી, જેનો ઉપયોગ આપણે કોઈ બી ઓબ્જેક્ટની ઊંડાઈ માપવામાં કરીએ છીએ. Yes, I think the things are very clear to you all people. From this discussion, we can have very three important questions. First, what is the principle? You can see the video once again if you are not able to get the point. What are the method to find the, what is the method to find the least count from the formula? કે લઘુત્તમ માપ શક્તિનું સૂત્ર અને એની વ્યાખ્યા. And neat and clean the label diagram of vernier caliper. વર્નિયરની આકૃતિ દોરો. This thing you can have it with the help of some practice. Practice કર્યા વગર ફિગર બરાબર નહીં દોરી શકાય. From this particular 10-12 minutes discussion, three important questions can be discussed. One is the principle, second is the diagram, and the third one is the least count of vernier caliper. Okay, thank you.